Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year for 2022. It's still 2021 when I'm recording this. It's actually New Year's Eve right now. I'm going to be unboxing these 2021 winter set. Yes, that's what I'm going to be opening up in today's video. We got all 5 vehicles from the 2021 winter set. And I think it's a very cool set. I got it at my grocery store. They actually stocked up this case, and I was really excited to get all of them because, well, they're only $1 each. I mean, like, why not? Special series, right? So, gonna be uploading this video tomorrow. Got the 66 Ford 427 Fairlane, also known as the 66 Ford Fairlane GT, as a casting. That's number 1 of 5 of the series. Here's the entire series. There's no chases. Or is there? After the video was over, I went over to my room and I took a picture of all 5 of the card backs of the cars in order and noticed that the toy numbers were a little out of place, and we were also missing GRR09. This gives the idea that a chase for this series does exist, even though the number on the 67 Camaro from the 2018 Black and Gold 50th Anniversary series is completely different than all the other normal cars of the set. But I'm not going to let that stop me from finding out what is GRR09. Alright, let's get the Ford Fairlane out of the packaging first. I'll open them all at once, then I'll give you a good look at all of them. Next, we're going to go with Avant Garde, that's what it's called. Wow, okay, that kind of popped right off. I can give you some details on the vehicles after I open them. Ford Escort, also known as the Ford Escort Rally, as a casting. Packages are getting a little wet, but that's alright. They can dry off later. And 2015 Dodge Charger SRT, number 4 of 5. Cool set. I like this set. And then the Chase Carbonator. Well, it's not a chase. It's more like a different package design. Happy New Year 2022. I don't have a bottle opener to test this one out on. But still cool. Alright, the entire winter series is out. Let's take a good look at the Ford 427 Fairlane first. And it's got some great spinning wheels. These are MC5 wheels. I love the matte gold color on this Fairlane. You got the Hot Wheels winter symbol right there. And white and gold MC5 muscle car 5-spoke wheels, and as you can see, that's got a nice red interior, maroon, like kind of a maroon interior, 2-door coupe, and you got the snowflakes right there with a black and maroon and a white stripe on the side. You can take a nice look at our nice muscle car there. Loving the bumpers. The bumpers are gold plastic. And it connects to the base. You can see that beautiful 427 Fairlane 2009 copyright, 66 Ford Fairlane GT, plastic base, die-cast top, very cool casting. Number 2 is the Avant Garde, I think that's how it's pronounced anyways. And I'm loving the wheels spinning on this entire set so far. Winter 2021, it says on the side. And this is based off a French coupe, kind of based off the Citroën 68 Citroën DS, and I can see some resemblance there. Got white and gold wheels once again, winter 2021, and beautiful matte blue color. You can see it's nice and clear on the top. And the blue is the die-cast part. Got aero disc wheels on this one, 2021 winter. I love the gold, blue, and white, and just a beautiful set. Definitely an awesome set to have. And it's got the headlights, which is part of the windshield. 2008 copyright on this one. That's when it came out. This whole set is made in Malaysia. Kind of surprised. I was wondering if this was made in Thailand or not. Again, great spinning wheels on this. This is the Ford Escort Rally. I love how there's a lot of die cast on the Rally Escort. And this one has a lot more detail. It has graphics. HW Graphics 21 on the side. You can see the Winter logo again. Hot Wheels Winter with this orange. I think that's orange. Yeah, orange, green, white, and it's like a matte maroon or burgundy kind of. I forgot what that's called. And it's a green interior. Or maybe the windows are green and the interior's white. It's got 5-spoke wheels. Same deal, white and gold. And I think that's going to be the deal for all the wheels on this set. Plastic base. It's colored gold, which is awesome. Actually opened up a 2003 version of this casting earlier on the channel. 2015 Charger SRT. Different wheels this time. They're Y5s, but they're actually white and black this time. And it's a Dodge SRT. Got a rescue version of it right here. It's a updated casting for the rescue line. And look at that. Beauty. Look at this. I love the wheels on it. They match perfectly on this nice Dodge Charger. You can see that. The black and gold snowflakes on it too. You can see the nice symbol right there. You can see that. Beautiful. The gray is all die casts in a nice gray color. Plastic base. Made in Malaysia once again for all of them. No painted headlights or taillights, but that's alright. Now we're going with the Carbonator. I have a few Carbonators that I want to unbox and actually test out on the, what are they called? Bottles of soda or bottle of juice or something, whatever they're called. Happy New Year 2022. This is a 2021 casting still. This is the 2021 set. But it's commemorating 2022. It's got a lot of metal. This is a bottle opener. I think I forgot to mention that. The Carbonator is a bottle opener. And I have a couple more of these that I do want to unbox. I have both colors for the 2021 main line. Again, RA6 wheels were USADA 6-spoke. They spun pretty well. Again, white and gold. You can see it's like a bottle design. 22 on the side. Hot Wheels. Happy New Year 2022. Still got the Winter logo. It's nice gold, yellow, you name it, interior. Die-cast base. Thank you for waiting patiently. So, as I was saying, I was looking for the number GRR09 on the Hot Wheels page. I checked on Google and I found out that it belonged to an orange and blue series 1969 Ford Torino Talladega from 2021. So I guess that answers the question. The 2021 Hot Wheels Winter Series does not have a chase. Thank you so much to everyone that watched and tuned in. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I just unboxed the 2021 Winter Hot Wheels set. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.